In SQL, a join is an operation that combines rows between two or more tables based on a related column. In this example, the left table will be employees and the right table will be departments. Let's start with inner join. An inner join is used to return only the rows that have matching values in both tables. Another common join is the left join, and a left join returns all rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. If no match is found, return null for the columns from the right table. A right join returns all rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table. If no match is found, return null for the columns from the left table. A full join returns all rows from both tables, and if there is no match, the result becomes null. A natural join merges tables based on matching column names and compatible data types. Finally, there is self-join, where a table is joined with itself. Thanks for watching, and follow for more.